So, as spirits, as virgin spirits or egos, humanity started this journey through matter millions of years ago. The journey is called, in the Western wisdom teachings, involution and evolution. Involution is the process by which the spirit had its spiritual aspects activated and material bodies built. That is involution, when it was coming down. In the last stage of the descent through matter, the spirit acquired self-consciousness and consciousness of the external environment. Until the spirit got to this last stage, it never had self-consciousness. Humanity, in general, has completed involution and is now on the journey or in the process called evolution. Evolution is the process by which the spirit unfolds its latent spiritual qualities to dynamic powers to become like God. That is what evolution talks about. And we present to you this diagram again for you to see the stages that we started from in the material worlds, from the world of thought, which is the first stage, to the second one, the desire world, and then the third one, the etheric region, and the fourth one, the chemical region, where we are now, and we have completed half in that stage. And we are now moving upwards. Moving upwards is what we call evolution. Moving downwards is the involution. As you can see, to the left, the black arrow, and then to the right, the white arrow. What happened during involution? We want to give a bit of details. What happened during involution? The spirit was not conscious of itself or the external environment in the beginning, but it was helped to activate its spiritual aspects and to build its bodies when it was descending into denser worlds of thicker atoms. It means the higher worlds have lighter atoms and the lower worlds have denser atoms. At each stage of coming down, some spirits were not adaptive, whereas others were adaptive. So they successfully descended into the lower worlds. Others failed and they were held back. Those spirits that couldn't descend into lower worlds, they were held back. But those that did, they continued. And we are those who did. And we have continued to this stage.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.